Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 1000x, and trust me, this token has some good things coming its way. And the one I'm talking about is Shopicoin. Now this token is very interesting because it connects the crypto world with the shop world, and it's also already partnered up with a very big company which is called Shopify. I'm pretty sure if you've tried to be a dropshipper, you know what that company is. Before we get into it, if you guys do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It's completely free to do so, but at the same time it'll help me and you out as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will find out about Shopicoin. They decide to go ahead and invest the money into it. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 121 likes. Now first of all, I just want to mention I'm not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research before putting your money or your hard-earned money into anything. Now the big idea behind this token is revolutionizing online payments through crypto. Pay for goods on any Shopify store with debit cards, credit cards, BEP20, which is Binance, Ethereum tokens, or even with Bitcoin. Now they do have some big partners such as Stripe, Shopify, Logs, Oberlo, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, but as you guys can see, Shopify and Shopicoin. Now partnered with Shopify, we have officially partnered with Shopify. This partnership allows the business on Shopify to accept at incomparably low rate from many different payment methods. Accepts many forms of payment. Shopicoin allows merchants to accept payments from credit card, debit card, BEP20 tokens, Ethereum 20, Bitcoin, Nano, Ethereum, Litecoin, Binance Coin, and Monero. And as you guys can see, when they tweeted out saying we have officially partnered up with Shopify and Shopify partners to be proud of, Shopify partner actually responded to that with just a fire cracking emoji just to say, hey, we're happy to have you as a part. Now if we actually go to the second part, they do have actually two tokens in their category, Class A and Class B. Now both these tokens are actually under the same token, which is obviously Shopicoin, but at the same time they're a little different because they are just trying to split up the people who are big investors and small investors to actually stop the whales from impacting the price. What are Class A and Class B tokens? Shopicoin's liquidity and voting power is distributed between two token classes. Class A token holds 40% of Shopicoin's total equity, which equates to 40% of company's voting power. Class B tokens hold 60% of the total equity, which obviously holds 60% of voting power. Class B tokens are mainly held by large private investors, employees, and others who are considered Shopicoin owners, while Class A tokens are mainly held by retail investors and traders. However, you're free to invest in Class A and or Class B tokens as you will. Keep in mind, however, Class B tokens have significantly less liquidity and trading volume compared to its Class A peers. So you can have both the addresses right under it, Class A and Class B. Should I invest in Class A or Class B? We heavily recommend retail investors and traders to invest in Class A because there is more trading volume and liquidity than there is in Class B. However, if you buy a large stack in Shopicoin, the voting power is important to you, then Class B is better. If we look at the tokenomics, you guys can see in Class A, the 50% is the liquidity. On PancakeSwap, 20% is locked liquidity and 30% is the payment liquidity. So you guys know the more liquidity there is, the easier it is for you to actually invest in it and also go ahead and buy some token. When you look at Class B, you guys can see 30% is to the CEO, 15% is to COO, then 15% to employees, and 40% to Pancake liquidity. The total supply for both of them is going to be 1 billion, and at the same time there are no fees for buying, selling Shopify coin, and besides BNB gas prices. We seek to move Shopee to its own blockchain in the future and completely remove the fees as a whole. If we look at the investor pitch desk, you guys can see they have some very interesting information here. So first of all, merchandise are very hesitant to accept cryptocurrency because they are too volatile. The solution is Shopicoin, was made by merchandise for merchandise to solve the confusion and also having to hold many different cryptocurrency in order to accept them. The simple way to do it is just hold Shopicoin. There will also be a lot of different tokens that will be actually put in. All payments from accepted cryptocurrencies and debit cards are automatically swapped into 7 accepted cryptocurrency of your choice at a small fee of 1%. However, all fees are lifted if you choose to put it in Shop A as your native token. This allows merchandise to only have to manage one coin instead of a lot of them. And if you actually go to why you should use Shopicoin, you guys can see the payment fee is less than $1. That's only for Shopee. Then accepts cryptocurrency, debit cards, one-click Shopify integration, near instant transaction, and customer and seller protection. Unionized payments. All payments are immediately swapped into Shopee A with zero slippage, no matter the payment amount. Merchandise will be able to withdraw Shop A balance in Merchandise Center. They are also able to withdraw their total once every 24 hours. Withdrawals are available as bank transfer, wire transfer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Shopicoin, or nano payments. And if we actually go ahead and make our way back to the investor pitch desk, you guys can see what is Shopicoin. It's obviously the token which accepts everything and converts it into one token, so it's much easier for everyone to take care of everything. And just in general, I feel like this token does have a very interesting idea, as they do want to change the idea behind having to do so much work just to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. If you do want to apply for the beta to have it added into your site, you can do so with Shopicoin. And also you guys can see on Twitter they do have close to 6,000 followers, which is quite a bit, and at the same time the only tweet they have done is at Shopify, and also Shopify partners actually responded to it by saying, hey, congrats, welcome to our team. Now at this point, I know a lot of you guys will have the question, Sky, how do I buy this token? It's very simple to do so. The first thing you guys have to do is you need to go ahead and open up your phone and download this application called Trust Wallet and then make an account in it. Once you have that done, go to the website of Shopicoin and click on Invest Now. You will be taken to PancakeSwap. Just click on I understand and click on import. And if your BNB is on the bottom, just swip them around, so make sure it's from is BNB and to Shopicoin. Once you have that done, you guys need to go ahead and purchase some BNB in your Trust Wallet on your phone. Once you have that done, convert it into Smart Chain and then click on Connect on the right top. When you click on Connect, you guys will be given options. You just need to click on Trust Wallet and connect your Trust Wallet. Once you have that done, just put in the BNB on the top that you want to convert into Shopicoin. It's simple as that. Just put in 1, 2, whatever you want to put and click on Swap it, and your Shopicoin will be placed straight in your Trust Wallet. Now, what do I think about this token? I think it's actually a very interesting concept, and I do think this will have a longevity, seeing that they have a big partner such as Shopify. Shopify is a very, very big platform, and having such a big partner at the start is pretty incredible for the whole project in general. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, go ahead and slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys slow down and tap the red subscribe button. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.